sweetness. Hi, baby. Okay, get down now. You can get down now. So I have 2 pairs of beautiful shoes to show you guys today. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope that everyone is doing well as always. Happy 4th of July to all of my fellow Americans. Today is 4th of July. It is around 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so if you do hear any fireworks, that is why. So jumping right into this video, I do have a mini unboxing. I didn't want to do a separate little video just to show this item. It's very tiny, so I wanted to go ahead and include it before I went over these shoes. Alright, so here is my box, and it is a package from a company that I just discovered. They are called Designer Optics, and I wanted to try them out. So, and I cannot find my normal little unboxing thing, my box cutter, so I'm going to just use this. But anyway, I wanted to try them out. There was a pair of sunglasses that I did want to try, so I ordered them online. Okay. Alright, so this is how they came. Looks a little smushed. Oh, great. Hopefully they're okay, but alright, so as you can see, they are Prada. Ugh, this box is smushed. Okay, but the inside looks fine. You have your little cloth. Yeah, they look fine. Yeah, so this case is pretty hard, so I'm sure its contents is fine. Alright, so these are the sunglasses I ordered. I don't know the name of them, but I will find it for you and put it in the description box below. But they are a geometric shape. They are kind of like a hexagon, and I wanted something not round, not squared. I just wanted something a little bit different. The legs are kind of wide, where you can see the logo there. On both sides it is the same, and I just got the black with the gradient gray lenses, and fit wise they fit pretty good. I like these kind of glasses with my hair up. I feel like they look a little bit better. So yeah, that is this tiny little unboxing that I wanted to do. They're pretty cute. Alright, so let's put these away and talk about the main part of this video, which is the shoes. So I did an unboxing of these shoes on my channel about a month ago, or a month and a half ago, and I wanted to compare them to a new purchase of mine. I have not done an unboxing for these shoes on my channel just because I couldn't wait to open it, and I went ahead and did that, so it wouldn't be a true unboxing, if you know what I mean, because I do not have the box that it came with. But I will do a little unboxing here just to show you. So of course you can see that they are Valentino, and I got these on Neiman Marcus, and they retail for $1,095, and they look like, that's what they look like in case you were wondering what the name was, but they're just the Valentino Rockstuds in the color Nero, and these Rockstuds are a little bit different than your normal Rockstud pumps because, here's their dust bag, and they come with extra studs and extra heel covers and stuff like that. But let me get this out of the way just to show you. So the shoes that I got are the ones that are all leather. They are not patent, which I've seen those a lot, and I do like those, but I wanted to go ahead and get a black pair since I had these nude ones already. But these are the all leather ones with the rock studs in the same color as the leather, and I know that they make them in red with the red rock studs, and they make like a, I think it's poudre, I think it is the poudre, so it's the beige color, the nude color with the same color studs. And I was really attracted to these shoes just because I do not have a pair of Valentinos. These are my first pair, and I didn't want it to be something so out there. So I wanted the studs to be a little bit understated. I know they're not very understated, but in this particular shoe, this was the closest I could find where the studs were kind of hidden, if you know what I mean. They kind of match the leather, so at first glance, sometimes you can't tell that they are studs. But anyway, I got these, and they are the same height as my Louboutins. These are 100 millimeters, and so are the Valentinos. So if I put them here next to each other, you can see, and that's pretty much a 4-inch heel. But I wanted to do the video mainly to talk to you about comfort. So obviously I bought this pair first. And to be honest, I have not worn them out. They still have the plastic on the bottom, and the reason why I have not worn them out is because, I don't know about you guys, but when I get new heels, especially heels, I like to walk around in them at home first just to get comfortable with them. I do not want to fall or sprain my ankle or anything like that, so I like to walk in them a little bit first just to try out the shoe. And in this case, I have been walking around in these, and I just have not gotten the courage. I'm not trying to be dramatic, but I just have not gotten the courage to wear these out just yet. And besides that, you know, with this pandemic, I really haven't had many places to go. But if I did, I still wouldn't take these out yet. Anyway, so standing in them, I can stand in them for about 30 minutes. And walking in them, I can probably walk in them for about 10 minutes. So that right there lets you know they are not very comfortable. You know, and it's a shame that a shoe that is so expensive, this one retails for $695 if I'm not mistaken, without tax. These as well without tax was $1,095. Yes, $1,095 without tax versus $695 without any tax. But yeah, they are not very comfortable, and I did do my research before I bought these, and I was researching to see which Louboutins were more on the comfortable side. Now I know they're not going to be extremely comfortable. I know they're high heels, and they're especially a little bit on the higher side of the heel, but I did expect it to be wearable, and maybe I could get an hour wear from these, but I just cannot. And it is not the shoe size. They fit me perfect. I researched on the size as well. And that is just me researching the shoe and trying to get the best size for me, because I hate returning and I hate exchanging and all that jazz. But it is not the fit of the shoe. The shoes fit me perfectly fine. But I just cannot. I cannot do this shoe. I'm not going to return them or sell them or anything like that, because I do think they are so beautiful. But these will definitely be for a dinner, an occasion where I am not standing and where I can only, where I will only walk from the car to a restaurant or from the car to a building or something like that, something quick and where I can immediately sit down. because they kill my feet. So with that being said, moving on to the Valentinos. These are, of course, more expensive, but the difference in comfort is almost drastic to me. These shoes are so comfortable. And again, I have not worn them outside. This is me wearing them inside of my house and just getting a feel for the shoe. But I did the exact same thing that I did with these Louboutins, I did for these Valentinos. You know, I walked around in them for a while to see just how comfortable they would be. And let me tell you, they are extremely comfortable. I'm not talking about sneaker comfortable or sandal comfortable. I'm talking about comfortable for a heel. Hi, baby. Here's my baby again. I don't even know if you guys can see him, but this is Louie. Last time he didn't have a haircut, but today he does. Right, baby? Right, baby? But anyway, they are comfortable for what they are. And they are a 4-inch heel, and they are very comfortable. I can stand in these, I can walk in these for a long time. So I only tried about an hour and a half in my house. I kept them on for about an hour and a half, and I was totally fine. No complaint. I walked fine. I stood in them perfectly fine. They are just night and day from this shoe to this shoe. If I would have known that, to be completely honest, and I want to save you guys a headache if I can, and if you care, because some people don't care that they're not comfortable, you know, some people will just wear them anyway just because they're beautiful, and I understand that. So just for those of you that do care about comfort, if I would have bought these first, I would probably not have bought these, or maybe I would have bought them and immediately known they were uncomfortable and returned them. I have, of course, gone past the return date. I can't return these, but whatever. But if I would have returned these, and I would have purchased these same exact shoes in the nude and probably gone for the patent leather. So, obviously, the patent leather is more wearable and more durable. Not wearable, they're more durable. So the patent leather will last you longer than this smooth leather, because this is very smooth, it's not pebbled. And if you get a scuff on these, they're probably going to be permanently scuffed. When you get a scuff on patent leather, they're easily wipeable, and they're just a lot more durable. So if I would have known that these were torture shoes, I would probably not have purchased them, and I would definitely have purchased these Valentinos in the patent leather. So now I know I do not want or care for Christian Louboutins anymore. I will be probably purchasing more of these, unless there is another pair that Christian Louboutin comes out that is comfortable, which I doubt. But yeah, that is my 2 cents on these shoes, and I wanted to let you know about them, and in case you were looking to buy either pair of these shoes and care about the comfort level, I will highly recommend these. I know that they are pricier than the Louboutins. They are around $400 more than these, but I do think that the patent leather ones are a little bit more affordable by like $100 or maybe $200, I'm not sure. But if you want the patent leather version, they are a little bit cheaper than these. In fact, I'm gonna look for you. The price, and the patent leather version of the Valentino Rockstud pumps are $995. So they are about $200 cheaper than these if you are looking for the patent leather. And of course, like I said, they are more durable. So that's what probably I'm going to do next. I don't know if I'm going to get the all nude ones or the ones that have the black here and the nude straps. I'm not too sure. I do want to try their flats as well, the Valentino flats, because I do like the look of those. I'm a little bit afraid of the Rockstuds because I feel like they're very out there and my style isn't like that. I'm a little bit more conservative, but I do want to try them, and if I do, of course, I will let you know. But I will try these shoes on and walk around in them so you can see what they look like. I am wearing a pair of Holy jeans, and you probably will wear something a little bit less casual, or maybe you like the look of the Holy jeans. But I will try these on and walk around in them so that you can see. And yeah, so with these I have absolutely no pain anywhere. They are just very comfortable, very fitting shoes. So guys, I was just doing the little videos of me wearing the shoes and walking around in them. And for the close-up videos, I did these first. And then I put on the Rockstuds, which I am not kidding. You guys are gonna feel like, you're gonna think I'm being dramatic, but it felt like I was putting on slippers. So after I took these off and I put on the Rockstuds, which I am wearing, and I didn't take off because they're just so comfortable, I felt like I was wearing slippers. And so that should tell you a lot about the comparison between these two shoes. But anyway, I hope that I helped anyone, and if you do own these shoes and they are comfortable for you, that is awesome. Of course, I am talking to those people that maybe already have them and you guys agree with me, or to those people that are not sure if they want to purchase them or not, and I am trying to just help them out. If you can try these shoes on in a store and walk around, of course they all have carpet, and walk around there, I highly suggest you do so, because you might be just like me, that they're just really torturous, or you might be one of the lucky ones that find the shoe comfortable. But anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that it has helped you, and if so, please don't forget to give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. I will, like always, link 2 videos above so that you can continue watching if you wish to do so. Like always, let's not forget to be kind to one another. Let's not forget to show love to one another. And I will see you guys in my next video.